interpellation, and then we will terminate.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Dapat talaga ako na yung huling tatanong. Pero gusto ko lang tanungin, no? Si Yusek Canlas. Kilala ko to eh. Si Yusek Cabral. Kasama rin pa kayo sa pinag-resign ng bagong secretary?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, lahat po mula Undersecretary down to the District Engineer.
So kasama kayo?
Yes po.
Kayo po ba ay nag-submit na ng resignation?
Dapat po sana today, kaso nandito po ako maghapon.
Okay. Ngayon, nabanggit din kanina, I think, Yusek Ador, you may mention that the former secretary, Bunoan, created an investigation team in the DPWH, di ba? And it was actually anong ginawa ng bagong secretary? Tinanggal?
From the report that we got today, I think it was abolished in view of the
Inabolish na.
creation of the independent commission, Mr. Chair.
Dapat lang talagang i-abolish because you cannot be independent in your investigation, di ba? Magiging biasin kayo eh. Tama ba ako?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ano nyo? Okay. Yusek Cabral, ikaw ang bahala sa planning, am I right?
Under po ang planning service.
Okay.
Yes po. Na-under ko po yung plan.
Ano yung planning? How do you plan actually? Do you plan the funding or you what? Ano ba yung planning mo?
Ang ang planning service po, hindi lang naman ay composed po ng 5 division. In fact, nandito po yung Assistant Secretary for Planning. Yan po ang isang division lang po ang division po programming po ang nagko-consolidate para bumuo ng National Expenditure Program. Although yung mga data po o yung mga dokumento ay pwedeng manggaling sa Regional Office at Implementing Office. Yung ibang division po ng planning, meron pong Environmental Social Services Division, meron pong Statistics Division na nagmamanage po ng statistics, meron pong Development Planning Division, tsaka Project Preparation Division po. 5 division po to. Yung isang division lang po ang nagko-consolidate para makapag-submit po ng National Expenditure Program sa DBM po yun.
Lahat yon nasa ilalim mo.
5 division po yun na sa planning service na under po ng isang director at meron pong assistant secretary bago po ako.
Including the master plan on the development of the areas, for example.
Yung master plan po, kung flood control po, meron po kaming UPMO flood control na nag-update po ng lahat ng master plan ng 18 major river basins in the country.
Okay. Ito po mga contractor natin dito. Do you know them personally? You do not know any one of them? You're under oath. You better tell us the truth. Do you know any one of them?
I have met Mr. Lupiano because he has been going to the office of the secretary. I have met him here.
Again, please.
Yeah,
Hindi ko masyadong narinig yun.
Among all, Mr. Lupiano, I've met him because he was in the office of the secretary.
Where is D.E. Alcantara? D.E. Alcantara, let me just ask you something. The project that the president visited, and he began to complain about it because it was actually a ghost project, it was substandard project, it was not actually completed. Do you agree with what the president said? Do you know about it?
Your Honor, I don't know about it, but I agree to what President has said.
So therefore, do you agree with what the president said?
Yes, Your Honor.
What the president found out?
Yes, Your Honor.
But you do not know if that is a ghost project or a non-completed project or a substandard project.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, look, why don't you know? When you should know.
As I told before,
Tuloy lang. Dapat ba alam mo? Hindi. Dapat alam mo. Correct.
yes, Your Honor.
Dapat alam mo. Correct.
Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit hindi mo alam?
Sa-
Tell me why. Why is it that you don't know? You're under oath, ha?
Yes, Your Honor. I base my observation on the submitted reports of my personnel, Your Honor.
You base your report on your trust. Sabi mo kanina
Yes, Your Honor.
yung pagkitiwala mo sa mga kontraktor. Tama.
No po. Doon po sa mga assigned project engineers po.
Sinong gumawa ng mga assigned project?
Mga personnel po ng DPWH from project inspector, project engineer, materials engineer, and the implementing section chief po, Your Honor.
But they're not monitoring it. In fact, the President said it's not even completed. Nakalagay completed ng DPWH. Ibig sabihin, you're not able to monitor. You do not monitor the beginning of the construction. You do not monitor while it's being constructed. You do not monitor when it is finished.
Your Honor, there are some personnel who is assigned to monitor from the very beginning of the project, Your Honor.
But you admitted kanina that you are not able to monitor them. Am I right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong ginawa mo ron sa mga personnel mo
I asked them,
na hindi minomonitor?
I personally asked the project engineer why it happens because they signed the accomplishment and they have submitted all the reports in the PCMA, Your Honor.
Anong ginawa mo after telling them that?
Sir, nung po sir, wala na po ako sa district office at that time nung nagbisita po ang ating presidente.
You mean to tell me that the president know about it? He is going to clean up the mess that you made? Is that what you're telling me now?
No, Your Honor.
Anong know your honor? How do you explain that?
Ang ibig ko pong sabihin, wala na po ako, hindi na po ako di at that time. That's why I asked the project engineer personally. Sabi ko, ikaw ang project engineer, saka po yung section chief na nag-i-implement. Sila po yung nag-implement ng project na personnel po. Tinanong ko sa kanila, bakit merong ganyan na nakita ang presidente? Despite na sinertify po nila na merong project po.
Yung pinirmahan mo mga project kanina, ipinakita ni Congressman Joel Chua here. Tatlo yan. Pinirmahan mo yan, di ba?
Yes po.
At inamin mo din na hindi po talaga na-monitor yan.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ayan, okay. So anong ginawa mo ron sa mga personnel dapat mag-monitor nun?
Pinagalitan ko po sila. Although hindi ko
Pinagalitan mo lang sila?
tinanong ko po sila kung bakit po nangyari yon.
Andito ba sila ngayon? Are they here today?
I think there is project engineer assigned here at the PL.
I would like to make a motion, Mr. Chair, that we invite those personnel that Director D.E. Alcantara is telling about.
Yes, they will
Next
be
hearing.
invited, Chairman Aban.
Okay. Now, ito, pinirmahan mo yan. Oo. And you are responsible. Di ba? Now,
Yes, Your Honor.
ako'y nagpapasalamat because you admitted negligence. Oo. But negligence is not corruption. Because corruption, merong pagpapalit ng pera dyan. Di ba? Am I right?
Yes, Your Honor po.
Ayun. Okay. Pero still, negligence should be your accountability.
Yes, Your Honor.
And therefore, you must face the cases against you as far as negligence is concerned. Am I right?
Yes, Your Honor.
For example, inamin mo din, and I'm so glad na inamin mo na nagkakasino ka. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At ang kasama mo dyan, yung deputy mo, si Bryce. Am I right?
Minsan po, yes. Yes,
Minsan
Your Honor.
nakasama mo
Opo.
siya.
Opo.
At alam mo ba, na bawal sa government employees ang magkasino.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yet you did it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, kung doon lamang sa kasino na alam mong bawal na gawin mo yan, nagawa mo, how much more sa trabaho mo at DPWH?
Not to that matter, Your Honor, sa project po, ayan pong mga pangyayari yan ay kung di nyo po ikagagalit, Your Honor,
Alam
hindi
mo,
ko po,
mahirap paniwalaan yan, DE Alcantara. Kung ikaw mismo, you violate the law as far as playing the casino is concerned, then you can also violate the law as far as the projects are concerned.
maybe my violation, Your Honor, is the negligence. Actually po, I hope hindi po kayo magalit, Your Honor. May mga tao naman pong ma-invite kayo. They will tell everything what happened to that po. Salamat po.
You better tell us the names of your personnel that
Yes,
ought
right
to be
now.
invited here para
Yes, Your Honor.
makita natin lahat to, malaman natin lahat, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Yung mga nakalagay doon na mga contractor, for example, doon sa pinirmahan mo, meron ding Wawaw contractor, Wawaw, di ba? Meron doon St. Timothy contractor. Now, who suggested to you those contractors if you do not know them personally? Do you know them personally?
I don't know them personally.
You do not know them personally, but they're your friend.
Hindi ko po masasabing friends because pagka nanalo naman po ang contractor, they sometimes coordinated with us na courtesy. Ganun lang po, Your Honor.
So how did they become the contractors of your project?
Because of the bidding, Your Honor, open bidding naman po ito, Your Honor, everybody is entitled to join the public bidding.
So doon mo lang sila nakilala.
Yes, Your Honor.
And afterwards, nung ginagawa na nila yung mga proyekto, syempre, kinikilala ka na nila.
Your Honor, hindi po ako nakikipag-usap sa kanila about that implementation, Your Honor.
Na, itong mga contractors natin dito, siguro, hindi naman siguro magpapagawa ng ghost project yan na walang signal kanino man tao. There's always someone behind that. They could not even make a substandard project if there's no one behind that. Am I right? Yung mo sabihin, itong mga contractor na ito, gagawin nila on their own? I'd like to ask Wawaw. Sabi nung Wawaw, sino yung Wawaw? Wala na? Oo. Yung sinong contractor dyan, I don't think any contractor here would even admit that they have actually built substandard projects. Any contractor here that would answer that to me, at sabihin sa akin, hindi ako gumawa ng substandard project at wala akong ghost project na ginawa. Andiyan ang mga ibang contractor. Can you please answer that to me right now? Any contractor? Meron ba?
Chairman Abante, all the contractors present had already made a general denial that they do ghost projects and that they do substandard projects.
General denial. So, ibig sabihin yan, even under oath, Mr. Chair, even under oath, they are actually lying, sa mga bagay na ito. So, sana talagang maging totoo tayong lahat dito sapagkat tama yung sinabi ni Congressman Romy Acope. Sino bang sinisisi ng taong bayan dito? Kami. Oo. Hindi naman kayo masisisi. Hindi masisisi ang kontraktor. Hindi masisisi, kami ang nasisisi rito. Oh. Kahit na for example, wala kaming kinalaman sa budget niyan, hindi kami humawak ng pera diyan. Kayo lahat ang humahawak ng pera. Oh, you exchange hands as far as money is concerned. So, paano natin mababago itong mga bagay nito? How can we change this? Because we have right now, gusto kong magkaroon tayo dito ng desisyon paano natin babaguhin itong problemang ito. Do you have any proposal to me, Director the DE Alcantara? How can we able to change this? Kakainis na eh. Totoo lang.
It's my own opinion lang po, no? It's not the opinion of the department, Your Honor. I think we can involve the local government in joining the inspection of the projects po. Yun lang po, Your Honor.
Fine with me if we could be able to involve the local government into the inspection of the project, no? Ako, I'm also fine. Okay din sa akin if we will coordinate with the LGU. Okay rin sa akin yun. Okay rin sa akin yun if we will consult the LGU. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, yung corruption. Hindi pinag-uusapan yung permit, hindi pinag-uusapan yung consultation. Ang pinag-uusapan dito, yung pollution, actually, ng corruption na yan. Oh. Di ba? Naniniwala ka ba yun? Si COA, for example. Naniniwala ba kayo, COA, na may mga pagkakataon, may collusion din ng COA sa DPWH?
On my part, Mr. Chair, wala po.
On your part, wala. Anong ibig sabihin on your part? Wala
Sir,
kayong alam.
Bilang auditor po, sir, wala po, sir.
Wala kayong alam. Diba? Personally, wala kang alam. Tama?
May I clarify, sir, kung ano pong gusto niyong sabihin sa wala?
Sabi mo on your part eh. On your part, wala. Anong ibig sabihin ng on your part? Ibig sabihin yan, personally, wala kang alam. Am I right?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Sa corruption, sa collusion, sa corruption, wala kang alam. Am I right?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yan. Pero, meron. Whether it be local government unit between the LGU and the COA. Ano tawag sa LGU? COA auditor. Oo. Meron, sa pananaw mo, meron din yan, di ba? Hindi naman pwede na merong corruption sa mga bagay na yan, hindi alam ng COA eh.
Hindi ko po masasagot, Your Honor.
Hindi ko masagot. Okay. Ngayon, I'd like to ask, Yusek Cabral, tell me, how can we solve this problem now that we have? Because right now, the President is not only inspecting, but the President is angry. So how can we resolve the problem?
Dapat po talaga may managot din sa mga ghost project po. Meaning, kung sino po yung mga accountable na tao, dapat po silang managot dahil hindi po tama yung nangyayari na may mga substandard at ghost project po. Kasi po, pag wala pong mananagot, baka po maging, baka isipin ng iba, makakalusot sila. So, kailangan pong may managot.
Actually, we have been having this hearing since this morning. Walang nananagot eh. Walang nagsasabi ng dapat talaga, ganito. I would like to ask the contractors present now that denied having ghost projects or substandard projects. How can we solve this problem? Tell me. Sa ating mga contractors, paano? You can answer one by one. Whoever would like to start answering. Sige po. Oh. Sino yung mga contractor dyan? Pakisagot lang yung tanong ko, how can we solve this problem right now? This is a nagging problem. It has been going on ever since. Di ba, COA? Been going on ever since.
Mr. Chair, based po sa mga findings po ng mga auditors natin, may mga observations po tayong nakita sa mga deficiencies po nila.
That's why it's been going on ever since. Am I right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
O yan. I'd like to find out from our contractors. Kayo, ang gumagawa ng mga proyekto natin. Kayo ho. O, paano po natin masosolve itong problemang ito? Wala pong ayaw magbigay ng solusyon? Oh. Sana walang anumang cover-up dito o pinagtatakpan natin, no? Mr. Chair, I would like to manifest na walang gustong sumagot ng mga kontraktor. How can we solve the problem? Because right now, we are not investigating, accusing someone of a wrongdoing. What we are trying to do here is trying to solve this problem. Di ba? Sa lahat ng proyekto, buong Pilipinas po ito eh. So ang tanong ko sa inyo, how can we solve this problem? We'd like to find out from you because the solution will not only come from us. Oh. It should come also from the contractors themselves. Sapagkat kayong gumagawa eh. Oh, kayo ang pinangalanan. Oh, tama ba ako? Kayo ang pinangalanan eh. Wala pong gustong sumagot sa inyo. Oh. Ako, tinignan ko kagad eh. Nung yung nilista ng Pangulo na 15 kontrakto, tinignan ko kagad yung mga kontrakto na gumawa ng mga proyekto. Ha? Na tinuro ko eh. Buti na lang, wala sa kanila. Alright. Nasabi ko pa rin kay Pinky Whip na may contractors. It's not something na sabihin ko mga kaibigan yan. Ibig lang sabihin yan, sila ang gumawa ng mga proyekto sa distrito ko. Kaya ako sinabi yung mga bagay na yan. Pwede ko yan naman sabihin, yung DE ko, pwede ko sabihin yan eh. Bakit? Yan ang DE na binigay sa akin eh. Am I right? Pero, hindi naman namin nakakausap palagi yan. Yeah, I'd like to find out. Kasi, pagka minsan, mag-uusap-usap tayo dito, magkakaroon tayo ng mga hearing dito. Hanggang hearing lang eh. Pero wala namang solusyon nangyayari. We would like to solve this problem once and for all. Sapagkat alam ko napapagod na ang taong bayan marinig pa ito. Yun lang, Mr. Chairman. Salamat po.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.